Hey everyone, and welcome. Today I will teach you how to create customer support on Shopify, or you can simply set it up. So there are two ways to do it. So the first one is simply adding, because customer support only requires either your email or your phone number to contact. So you can simply put that email and phone number to your if a person is specifically managing customer support to that department. So to do that, what you need to do is simply head over to settings, and in here you need to search and for notifications. You can see the notifications. Once you click onto that, we have sender email. So this sender email is basically used by store to receive emails from your customer, of course for the customer support. So if they have any queries, questions, or any type of confusion, you can simply write it onto your email. So you can add that. Then we have customer notifications, and we can inform them about events and various other options. Now if this doesn't work for you, what you can do is simply add a specific application inside Shopify. So you need to head over to apps, and there you can simply head over to your app store. You can see all recommended apps. So head over to App Store and search in here for customer support. So just like that, and now we will be having multiple options that we can add. Like for example, if you want to add a chat system, you can use TDO, live chat, and AI chatbot for customer support. And this is how it is going to be working. It is going to be representing a chatbot right next to your store. Once a user or customer opens, if you have any question or she has any question, you can simply put it on to this chatbot, and eventually it is also going to be reflected onto your backend section. So these are two ways that you can use Shopify and set up a customer support. So I hope this is going to be helping. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.